What's up, YouTubers? It's your boy, Saku. I'm coming back to y'all. I got the juice again, man. And this video really about venting. I really want to vent right now. Since I was a jit, man, I always wanted a dirt bike. Always an 85, 65, 125. I ain't care what it was. I just know I wanted me a dirt bike. You feel me? So I heard a little kid come out named Swervo. That boy came out with the song, I want me a dirt bike. I mean like a dirt bike, like a that's a dirt bike, you hear me? Really going ham, man. You feel me? He came out with a song, man, and I think I'ma funk the dance today. So y'all make sure y'all tune in. You feel me? Cause I'm about to rep the MIA. You see I got the Zero Glory gear on deck. Y'all make sure y'all tune in and show some love. 100.
Want some more, nigga? I want me a dirt bike. 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 Ashley, I want me a dirt bike. 2 scrolls, 4 scrolls. Ain't gon' let the bitch blow. I know to change the oil. I know to mix the gas. But I can't crash. I'm on my ass. I want me a dirt bike. 2 scrolls, 4 scrolls. Ain't gon' let the bitch blow. I know to change the oil. I know to mix the gas. But I can't crash. Skirt, I'm on my ass. Pink. That dirt right leave ass pink. Damn. Like October. Pink on my ass and my shoulder. Damn.
Fresh. I always wanted me a dirt bike. Couldn't get one, so I got a car. At the end of the day, I like the song. Shout out to you, Swervo. You feel me, for making that banner right there. That's a little vibe right there. I'm feeling it. You feel me? But y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe to my video. And we'll be making more videos. Y'all make sure y'all leave comments at the bottom. And we out.